Can you tell us something about Curriculum Company and the work that you do?
Okay, hi, I'm Ujjwal. I'm the founder CEO of the Curriculum Company. Uh, we are at the forefront of taking the tablets inside the classroom. We have a teaching learning platform which helps the teacher to teach. We tied up with British Council and did the ELI Kids program, the Learn English Kids program inside classrooms and various kinds of schools. So even at a very high-end schools to municipal corporation schools, fantastic response. The students were so excited to learn through the tablet, and the content is so engaging. So I think that's what we are up to at this point of time.
Does the conference facilitate adequately for marketing your brand to the right audience?
I think after a very long time, I can say that there's a conference which is very adequate for people like us. We are trying to bring in a new change in classrooms. We are trying to bring a new technology or new process of teaching and learning, a tablet-based learning. I thought this is a great place because teacher educators are the best person to influence, and once we influence them, they go ahead and they influence the owner principals or even teachers on both sides. So I think that's a great place to market ourselves.
Is the conference providing you enough opportunity for networking, connecting?
Uh, I think it's quite adequate. We have at least 8 breaks in last 2 days, and I think almost 2 or 3 more breaks are there in next 2 days time, next 1 day time. There's good enough opportunity. There's a very high level of engagement. People come, talk. I'm very happy, there are multiple stalls. I should not be saying this, but we got the best crowd coming. People spend more than 10 to 12 minutes understanding what we are doing. I think that's a big thing.
How did this event or participating at the event raise your organization's profile?
Uh, uh, 2 ways. I think one, we are among the best brands in this country or maybe around the world. So we have brands like Oxford or Cambridge, and we are there. I think a lot of time you want to meet publishing houses. It's so difficult. Here the who's who of the whole publishing world was here, so it's very easy to meet all of them. There was a lot of time for all of us to catch up. There are a lot of British Council also did a lot of effort to ensure that all sponsors can meet multiple times through networking dinner or the lunch, suggestion lunch and stuff like that. On top of it, if you're associated with British Council and around the country, teacher educators have come, a lot of educationists have come. They have seen us doing some good work alongside British Council. That brings a lot of credibility and definitely value for the organization.
What is the one main thing you would like to say to new sponsors or anybody thinking of sponsoring in tech?
I think if you are a new product or something which is unique, look at teacher educators. I think this is one forum. If you come, you are going to impact multiple schools at one go. So I haven't seen such serious crowd trying to understand, know a lot of things about all the sponsors in very, very long time. So I think it's a fantastic opportunity for any sponsors to be part of it.
Thank you so much, Ujjwal.
Thank you.